A really strong shaker right now.
Very big. You can tell we got.
That's
We're looking
A
at
strong
CBS2
jolt, and it's
seismo
still
graph right now. This is quite a jolt.
Ginger, thank you. Coming up, more problems for a troubled
Earthquake.
singer. Yep,
We're
we got
having an earthquake. Okay, it appears to have stopped.
Yeah.
We're gonna jump right now to
Look at our cameras behind us.
to the U.S. Geological Survey. Let's get right on that right now. That felt very close.
Very strong.
Yeah, let's get right on that. Okay.
All right, Henry, we're going to bring you into this. You can see right now, I mean, we've got stuff kind of here falling. We've got
Okay.
some sort of ceiling